is 2023, you guys. We need to get it together. If you know me, you know that I am a database girl. I love creating scholarship databases. I love putting all scholarships together in one place and giving people access to these databases, because the scholarship application process can get extremely overwhelming very quickly, especially if you follow people like me on Twitter and other people who also post information about new scholarships. This is because if you follow us, we are putting information about new scholarships every day. Every day there is, maybe we have 10 tweets about new scholarships. I post, the others post, the others post. So information is good, but too much information, you can have like an information overload. So for me, if you are that student who is like following all of those people, you can really get lost in following the next shiny object, the next shiny object. A new scholarship, you're there. A new scholarship, you're there. A new scholarship. And 6 months later, you will realize that I haven't done anything, because I am following these shiny objects. That is why databases are extremely important to me, and I think for you too. Putting all of this information in one central place, and it has like information, like let me say the level, when to apply for it. You can just go number after number. I've applied for this one. You read the information about the scholarship, and you're like, okay, it's bachelor's, not for me, or it's master's, or I can apply for this one. You read through it and you are like, okay, this looks like something I can apply for. You go ahead and apply. Yes, there are tweets, but you are going number after number, number after number. So there is some order in the work that you're doing. So this is 2023, you guys. We need to get it together. Following all of this, it's important, but do not get lost in it. Don't get lost in it. We have made our vision boards. I've showed you how to make the vision board. If you haven't, I'm going to put the video somewhere here or maybe in the description box. We have gone through what country do we want to study at. We have planned it out. If you haven't watched it, I'll put the video here or in the description box. Yes. And also we have gone through the scholarships, making a scholarship planner for 2023. If you haven't, I'm going to put it in the description box, probably because it's a lot of videos. I'm just going to put part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the description box, all of it. And we've learned how we should deal with our emotions and feelings of did we succeed or we did not succeed, and thinking about it, like journaling. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to put it in the description box. So now that we have gotten all of that out of the way, it is time to get to work. And that is where this database comes in, because now you have the structure on what to do. You have the countries already sorted out. Now it's about figuring out, these are the list of scholarships. You can now start taking this information and writing it out. And also, in studying abroad, the trickiest part is really funding. So many students want to study abroad and the funding is always not there. That is why I think that the scholarship aspect of studying abroad, we need to dedicate a bit more time in it. And of course, that is why this database exists, because through it now, as you go through your year, you can just be picking and applying. Have a particular goal in mind. Pick and you apply, pick and you apply. So that is what we are going to be using this database for. It will be your guide, holding your hand and leading you throughout this 2023. And of course, this database is going to keep increasing, because I'm going to keep increasing the database. I post information about scholarships daily. I update the database. I post it, I update the database. So I hope that you all get access to this database.